Going on, YouTube subscribers? Alright, right now I put the new bird cage in, the little nesting box. That's the old one, it's all nasty from the other old bird. But yeah, this one's a new bird right here. The blue one's a female, the green one's a male, you know what I'm saying? Now I put the new nesting box in there. Now they're trying to see what's going on. I already cleaned out the cage, haven't had time. Other than that, today's day is done. Blue one's a female. And the male just telling the female to go inside the box. Haha. Fresh food, water, everything they need. The female likes swing on that swing right there. Which the other old female, the one that passed away, didn't like swing on that one. But this one does. See, his wings are kind of cut at the tip. They're growing back. This one has its full wings. This one cannot, the female cannot fly yet. She still like tries to fly, but she still got the wings clipped. I bought it from Petco. As you can see, they're all tagged. They got the tags on the end of the legs, their foot. Let's see if I can get that one. Yeah, it's on their left one right there. You can see it. Just trying to see what's in there. She hasn't been in one yet. It's her first time. Oh, that nesting box, I already cleaned it. I had it cleaned for a while. Just picking all the little fleas off him. It's pretty cool. Get the end of my chinny chin chin. Alright, YouTube subscribers, keep you guys updated. Peace.